Recognizing early signs can help protect your plants. This type of condition is often associated with Phakopsora pachyrhizi. Symptoms often start on the lower portions of the plant and progressively move upward, primarily affecting new leaves. Small brick-red dots on the underside of leaves, typically along the leaf veins, are the initial symptoms that show up during the blooming stage. These patches eventually become larger and more numerous, turning reddish-brown or black. As the illness worsens, elevated light brown fungal nodules that are apparent to the unaided eye cover these areas. A soft yellow halo surrounds irregular, dark brown patches formed by the coalescence of certain nodules. At this stage, the spots start to show up on the petioles, stems, and both sides of the leaves. The plant can shed its leaves too soon. Soybean rust is a highly contagious disease caused by a fungus called Phakopsora pachyrhizi. This fungus does not survive on seeds and requires living plant tissue to grow and complete its life cycle. Without soybean plants to parasitize, the fungus needs another host plant to survive. Fungal spores are produced in nodules on the plant, travel from plant to plant by wind, and can directly penetrate plant cells without passing through stomata or wounds in the leaf tissue. Disease development is favourable under conditions of consistently moist leaves for 6 to 12 hours within a cool to moderately warm temperature range, 16 to 28 degrees Celsius, and high humidity, above 75%. Many farmers would rather start using natural techniques like the severity of the illness can be reduced by using products that include essential oils of 1% lemon eucalyptus, Corymbia citriodoria, 0.5% lemongrass, Cymbopogon nardus, and 0.3% thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Other therapies might be used if the problem worsens. Whenever possible, think about combining biological and preventive therapy. Controlling this fungus requires selecting the appropriate fungicide and applying it at the appropriate time. Use propiconazole, 1 milliliter per litre of water, and fungicides based on hexaconazole, 2 milliliters per litre of water. It is advised to apply fungicides containing ferric iron on a regular basis during the growth season. To better safeguard plants in the future, select cultivars that are tolerant or resistant. If at all feasible, select early maturing cultivars and plant early in the growing season. Alternatively, plant later in the season to benefit from dry spells. To improve air circulation and drying of the leaf, plant with more space between rows. Keep an eye on crops and get rid of intermediary host plants. Control the fertility of the soil, particularly the amounts of phosphorus and potassium. In general, little grey patches develop along the leaf veins on the underside of leaves. These areas cause the leaf patches surrounding them to become yellow. During the flowering period, the most prevalent symptoms usually show up on the underside of lower leaves. To find out more about maintaining the health of plants, subscribe to the channel.